Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. So this week, our request comes from one of our community members, and her name is Tanya, and she writes, Dear Miss Planet, over the last few years, hard times have hit my family hard. My husband was laid off from work, and I'm a full-time student in college. I have 3 kids, and my youngest daughter has missed a lot of birthday parties due to financial hardship. This year, she will be 16, and I want to give her a diamond and denim and pearl Sweet 16 party. I want to mimic the diamond centerpieces in this picture. Can you help us? Well, Tanya, not only are we going to help you, we're going to show you how to create 3 centerpieces out of 1, saving you money, saving you time, and creating the denim and diamond pearl vision for your daughter's Sweet 16. We are just honored that you would allow us to be a part of this day, and we cannot wait to show you how to create this fantastic yet economical Sweet 16 centerpiece. Oh, and guys, it can be used for other things too, so don't worry. All right. With that being said, let's get started with this week's episode, 3-in-1 Dollar Tree inspired Glam Centerpiece. All right, let's get started. So this centerpiece has 3 components. The first part are our Tealight Dazzlers, is what I call them. So these 3 tea lights all came from the Dollar Tree, so that would be $3. And then a package of Dazzlers does more than the 3 pieces, so more than 1 centerpiece. And you're going to just put a handful of the Dazzlers in there, knowing that you're going to have to adjust them, because then we're going to sit our diamond paperweight right on the top. Once you've done that, simply repeat those steps with the other 2 tea light holders. Now it's time to add our touch of denim, and I'm going to show you how to make these paper flowers. Now, I've made them in the past for past projects, and I always get the same comment. Where can I get the template? Well, guess what? The templates are now available in our Shopify store, but don't worry, I'll tell you all about that at the end of the video, but you can now buy the template, and guess what? For now, they're on sale for $1. But let's get started. So for this flower, we're going to use our 2-inch base, and then we're going to also use our 2-inch petal and our 1.5-inch petal. Again, I will tell you how to get the template at the end of the video. So for this flower, we're using 8 large 2-inch petals, and we're using another 6 to 8 smaller 1.5-inch petals. Trace them on once on the back side of your paper, cut them out, and then we'll move right on to the next step. Now that we have cut out our base as well as our 2-inch petals and our 1-inch petals, and the 2-inch refers to the length of them, not the width, the length. So then we're going to take, in this case, I just took a dowel I had hanging around the house. You can use a pencil, anything works. You're going to roll the end of the petal onto it, creating that more realistic look. Then you're going to cut the tip probably about 1/4 of an inch, because that's going to give your petal the shape it needs. At this point, you can choose to use your regular Elmer's craft glue, or you can use your hot glue gun. As you can see, I use the hot glue gun just for speed's sake, just because I want it to be done faster so I can show you. But Elmer's glue works just fine. Once you have all of the petals ready, it's time to create the flower. Start by attaching the larger 2-inch petals to the outer rim of your base, and then continue that pattern with the larger ones, then moving to the smaller ones until you get to the center. You can choose to layer your petals, filling up the entire center of your paper rose, or you can leave the center empty and add a little bling to it. In this case, these were just buttons that I found, a pack of 6 for $1. So we've done our diamonds, we've done our denim, and now we're going to do our pearls. I'm so excited to show you guys this piece. Now, for this part, we're going to use water beads. Now, they sell these at the Dollar Tree, and they work just as well as the expensive ones. Trust me, I've used them. So you're going to simply layer your pearls and then add a layer of water beads, layer of pearls, layer of water beads. Now, you cannot go wrong with this, so just play with it. Have some fun with it. If you're going to fill up the 9-inch bases, which you see here, then you'll need about 2 cups of beads, pearls, and then 2 jars of the water beads. For the first example on the 9-inch base, I'm going to show you what it looks like filled up halfway. Be sure that your top layer is pearls. Otherwise, if you have a couple of water beads sneak out, you'll have a couple of floating pearls, which is no big deal. You can remove more. If you like them, leave them. Now let's focus on our 7.5-inch base, and we're going to do the same exact pattern. First is a layer of water beads, followed by a layer of pearls, and then we're going to continue to repeat. For this one, we're going to do the pearls all the way up to about 3/4 of an inch to the rim. I can hear your questions through the video tutorial. Where do I get the multi-size pearls? No worries, you guys know I got you. All the links to all of the supplies for this project and all of our projects, we always have those links in the description right below the video. So you don't have to wonder where I got it, I'm gonna tell you. So let's keep going and see how this turns out. So you have some options here. I, in the setup, use an 8-inch beveled mirror base. You don't have to, but you can. Here's another even less expensive option. That beveled mirror base is about $3. Here's another option. You can make your own bases from Dollar Tree products. Now these are 4 1/8 inch foam discs from the Dollar Tree, and this is just some silver ribbon that I've purchased also. And then I took a Dollar Tree 5-inch round mirror and placed it on top. This creates some depth and some height to the project. Well, Tanya, what do you think? I am so excited about this 3-in-1 centerpiece. I wanted to give you options that not only really showed your daughter just how very special she is to you, but just created an atmosphere that was of elegance. So I hope you love it as much as we do. If you like this video, by all means, like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every Wednesday. Oh, don't forget to click on that notification button so you can get a wonderful little reminder from us. In addition to that, feel free to follow us on all of our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And don't forget to sign up for the Ebates option. It is a wonderful option where you make money while you spend money. Very simple steps. You simply sign up for your Ebates account. When you decide to do that online shopping, go onto your Ebates account, find your vendor through them, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check in the end. I'm telling you guys, once you do it, you will be like, why didn't I do this sooner? Especially if you shop online as much as I do. So be sure to take advantage of that option with the Ebates rebate. I also want to remind you that our wonderful Shopify store is open and we have some awesome products for you. I'm so proud of them. I'm so grateful to all of you who have already supported us and purchased your digital download products. Again, these are digital downloads because we want to make sure you have immediate access to them, as well as saving you costs for shipping and handling. We didn't want you to have to deal with that, so we did it digital. We have our DIY project planner that is available to you. We also have our DIY bride wedding planner, which I'm so in love with, and this has helped so many people. I'm just very, very proud of it. And we have the Maid of Honor planner. A lot of you have been like, thank you, MissPlanIt. You are very welcome. I'm so glad we can help. Now, today we have our paper flower template ready and waiting for you for the low price, I don't know if it's going to be temporary or not, of $1. So don't miss it. Click on that little icon in the corner to head to our Shopify store, or you can click on the link in the description. Oh, that was a mouthful. I'm so glad that you guys could join us. If there is a project we can help you with, don't forget you can click on the link in the description and submit your project request. Do it soon because our schedule is already full through August. So better sooner than later. In addition to that, in the description below, you will find the links to all of these supplies. Oh, and Tanya, I found that table skirt that you asked me about, and I'm going to put that link in the description right there for you, and it'll be under options, okay? So everything you'll need is right there for your daughter's wonderful Sweet 16. Well, guys, I am so grateful that you joined us this week. We know you have so many options. Oh, one more option you have. Don't forget our blog post over on our website, MissPlanIt.com. We have so much more information to give and to show you. We just don't have enough space to put it all on our weekly video tutorials. So it's all there for you on our website, MissPlanIt.com. Again, it was a pleasure spending time with you. I'm so excited about the upcoming projects, and my little clue to you is stay tuned because I feel a fresh flower bouquet arrangement coming up real soon. So stay tuned for that. Well, guys, until next week, take care. See you soon. God bless.